morning. I'm Regina Mobley.
And I'm Stephanie Hudson. First at 5:30, what was supposed to be a hearing for two men charged with stealing from Rivers Casino turned into a dressing down of the prosecution by the judge.
Judge Douglas Ottinger said a witness for the Commonwealth contacted him directly, concerned about coming forward. Investigative reporter Chris Horn was in the courtroom and has more on this embezzlement case. Chris.
Yeah, Regina, they're not exactly Ocean's 11, but maybe they're Rivers 2. Marcus Baker and Joshua Thompson each face a felony charge of embezzlement. But this morning, the judge was far more focused on the Commonwealth than the defense. Marcus Baker and Joshua Thompson are charged with one count each of stealing money from Rivers Casino in July. But court documents say they were observed on video taking money from the casino as many as 8 times beginning in late June. The two men worked in the count room, and police say in one incident, July 12th, Thompson took cash boxes with money from that room. Nearly $14,000 ended up missing from Rivers Casino. Police say Thompson left the area in Baker's pickup truck. Thompson and Baker were supposed to have a hearing on the charges this morning, but Judge Douglas Ottinger slammed on the brakes. The judge said he received a letter from one of the Commonwealth's witnesses saying that office failed to return her calls and now she is afraid to testify. Who would blame her, Ottinger said to Deputy Commonwealth's Attorney Lynette Hill. This blows my mind as a former prosecutor, Ottinger said. Hill said she is missing a number of witnesses and did not yet have the casino's surveillance video in the case, although her office says it's up to General District Court to subpoena the witnesses. Don't you have investigators, the judge asked? We know where the witnesses can be found. It's 2 exits down the highway from here. In a statement, Commonwealth's attorney Stephanie Morales said her office has very clear directives for attorneys and support staff that are strictly adhered to regarding communication with witnesses. Multiple attempts were made to reach the witness, but they were unsuccessful. Still, our efforts have not ceased. The video that was referenced by the judge is in possession of the police department. And Morales went on to say her office remains committed to prioritizing justice by holding individuals accountable while protecting witnesses and ensuring the safety of citizens. The hearing for Thompson and Baker on the embezzlement charges is now scheduled for early January, and Rivers Casino confirmed, as you might imagine, they are no longer working there. Chris Horn, 10 on your side.